to go ahead and do another haul video, you guys. I'm a little behind on my haul videos. This one is an Easter haul from Dollar Tree. So first of all, I did pick up some shreds. So I got the green, I got the pink, because I think together it would be really cute. And I thought I'd just stock up because I don't know what happened to all my shreds, but I must have used them last year. So I did also pick up the blue. And I want to say I think there's a yellow one too. I didn't pick that one up, but these are super cute. And again, $1, so might as well stock up on it. I finally picked these up. Now, I've seen these since last year. People were hauling them. And every time I go to the Dollar Tree, when I do find it, usually this top part is cracked because it's not very sturdy on the top. And so I never pick it up. So anyway, I found some. See, like there's little imperfections on it. But anyway, it's just, it's fine. Anyway, I love this one. This one's toasted coconut and smells so good. So, can't wait to burn that one. And then I did get the birthday cake, which my daughter is wanting. She wants it for her room. So I picked that one up too. So those are non-Easter, but I picked those up. I went to the sticker area and I did find this kind of just randomly thrown in there. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to pick it up because it has all these words and it's gold foiled and you get 134 counts. So I think there's 2 sheets. So I did pick that up. Picked up some Scotch tape just because I needed some more. Okay, so let me just get the like non-Easter stuff out of the way. I did pick these up, and these are the 4x6 notebooks, and this one comes with 3 different notebook styles, covers. So there's the stripe, there's the llama, and then the other one is this one. So these are the same. I've just picked up a couple of those, and just some non-crafty things like the emery boards that I wanted, and a clipper for my son. I did pick up these stickers, and I did find them as well, so I thought I'd go ahead and pick these up. You can never have too much bling, and I had not seen these, and I love using these colors, so I picked that up. I picked up this basket bag because I thought, you know, I usually like to make baskets, and so I did pick those up, and it comes in a 2-pack. Let me move some stuff here. Maybe just move these out. These aren't Easter. I did pick this up so that I can hang it on my door, and it is chipboard, or what is that? Yeah, it's kind of like really, really thick chipboard, and it says Happy Easter. It's kind of big, long, but Happy Easter, and then there's an egg on the bottom, and it's all glittery. They have different kinds as well, but I picked just that one up. And then I did pick up some baskets just because these are so cute. It's like a medium-sized basket, and it's really sturdy, and that's why I wanted to get it. It's not flimsy at all. The handle maybe a little bit, but it's really pretty. So I picked it up in pink. I picked it up in this blue, like a really pretty, almost like Tiffany blue, kind of. And then this purple. So I thought that would be really fun. And I believe they also had, I think there was a really, really bright yellow. I didn't pick that one up, but I believe there was also a yellow. And then these are so adorable. I just could not help myself. These pack of 4 Easter eggs, and they're little bunnies in different colors. I should have picked up 2. But they're just so cute, and it looks like it's really roomy too. So that's going to be fun to put inside the Easter basket. And then just picked up these storage cases. Now they're in the hardware section, like the tools section, and I was looking for some that I know people had picked these compartment storage cases up. I thought they were bigger. I don't know if I picked up the right one, but this was the only one I found, and I even asked the cashier there, and this was the only one she said that they carried. So I did pick up a couple of these, and they're just cute for small embellishments, you guys, you know, especially the ones if you want to mail them out. Let me just give you an idea of how, well, let me see if it has the dimensions here. I don't really see it, but this is about a 7-inch by, I would say 4.5, well, it's not 4.5, a little more than that, 4 3/4. And what I like about it is that you can actually store beads in here too, because it is curved so that you can easily, you see that? It's curved so you can easily get whatever's in there. You know, sometimes they get kind of stuck in the, even for sequins actually, I think this would be really great for sequins. But yeah, I just decided to pick a couple of those up just to try them out and see if I'm gonna like them. And then on my way home, I stopped by the groceries and I saw these tree containers and I had to grab them. They're little mini tree containers at my local grocery store, and they're so cute. You get only 3, but it's pretty roomy. And again, I think if I see it again, I'm gonna pick up another one. It'll just be really cute for like a Disney themed Easter basket, or you know, whatever Disney themed project that, you know, I decide to do. And then might as well lump these in because I have a couple. When I went with a friend to a scrapbook store, I did pick up the La La Land craft. Look how pretty it is. It's part of their tea themed. I don't even know when they came out with this. I think this is new. Anyway, it was a little pricey, $19.49. But again, it's my local scrapbook store, and I do like to support them whenever I can, whenever I'm around there. You know, I'm not always buying stuff there, so because it's a little bit farther for me. But when I meet up with my friend for coffee, I do like to see what they have that's new, and they're now carrying La La Land dies, so I thought that was super cute. They had other ones there too. Another tea set, I think, with like a different shaped cup, but I only picked this one up. And then from Amazon, I picked this up a couple of weeks ago, I think, but I did pick up some googly eyes. And then my friend Mimi was telling me that they have googly eyes with the eyelashes at Hobby Lobby, but I never did see them at my Hobby Lobby. I don't know, unless I just wasn't really looking. I think I was looking at Michael's and I didn't find them, but I just went ahead and grabbed them from Amazon since I saw these. And what I like about this is nicely organized, and it comes in this case. And let me see. It's called Decora, and they're 10 millimeter colored wiggly googly eyes with eyelash. So that's from Amazon, and I just liked that you have different colors, and it comes in this little cute box, you know, so I think it's just nice to have. And then they even gave me a free gift, which was really nice. So these are like large googly eyes. I don't think I even have this size, so that's just kind of nice to have. And it's free, so why not? So thank you very much for watching my channel, and hope you guys liked some of the items that I picked up. And oh, one more thing, I did pick up these Easter ribbon. They're 3 yards each, and this one's says Happy Easter in like a foiled color, you know, foiled treatment, and then this is also foiled polka dots. So I just thought those were really cute to use for Easter, and I think they had other ribbons there, but I didn't pick those up. So that was a fun, you know, shopping. And yeah, I'm getting ready for Easter, guys. I'm ready to create stuff. I'm trying not to pick up too many stickers. I haven't even been to Target yet, and I know there's like a ton of Easter stuff, as I've seen in your hauls, but trying to be good. I just don't have room in my craft room. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great Friday, and I'll talk to you later. Stay tuned for another haul video. I do have a Daiso haul, so I'll be posting that soon. Thanks for watching, and talk